What is going on, guys? So today we are going to be taking a look at the latest Bruce beta release. Okay, in that release, it allows us to do UI theme. So it'll allow us to add a theme to our device. I've seen some for the M5 card computer. I've seen some for the M5 Stick C+2, the T-EMBED, and I believe that I'm not sure if I've seen one for the CYD yet, but I know for those three devices, there are some there, mostly Flipper inspired themes, but nonetheless, pretty cool. I know Peralta also made a UI theme builder, okay, and that's basically allowing us to add icons and things like that, the images at least, and then creating our own UI that way, okay. But for right now, I just wanted to show you a quick way to install it on our device, as well as where to go to get those files. Okay, this will pertain to all devices. Okay, this is just showing you how to get into the web UI so that way you can put your UI themes onto the device. Okay, so in my case, I am choosing to do the web UI in the sense of going into AP mode. All right, AP mode basically creates an SSID similar to when you look at all the different Wi-Fi networks in your area. This one creates a Wi-Fi network and it's called BruceNet. Okay, and if it asks you for a password, it's BruceNet as well. Okay, so on the address bar, we're just going to go to bruce.local. Okay, and usually it'll ask you for a username and password. The username is admin and the password is Bruce. All right, so once you enter that and you get into here, this is the little fs file system. So what this is essentially kind of like your directory where all of the files are on your device. What you're going to do is you're going to take the theme that you downloaded from the Bruce Discord server, okay? And you're going to click and drag it right over to your device, to the little FS file system. All right, and as you can see here, we have theme made, okay, by this person. Sorry, I'm not going to even try to pronounce it. Upload complete. That means that everything was uploaded and we should have no issues, okay? And then from here, we would just get out of it, get out of the web UI on our device and jump over into the config and do like we were doing in the video, okay? Super easy. So first off, we're going to go to config, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and just show you as if you already have those files on your device. And from there, I will basically show you how to get those, okay? So you're going to go to config. Okay, now we're going to scroll down to UI theme. Now, if you're on a stable release, 1.9.0, 1.9.1, you're not going to see this. It's only in the latest beta, okay? So you're going to click UI theme. In my case, since I have an SD card slot, I saved it to the SD card slot. I created a themes folder, so we'll go into there. And then this is the theme that someone created. And we're going to go ahead and click theme.json, okay? So the JSON file, okay? We'll click it, and it will automatically load the theme, okay? So this is kind of like the Flipper style theme, all right? Pretty cool. So if you want to revert back, okay, we'll go back to config. We'll go back to the UI theme and we'll click default, okay? So that'll allow us to get our icons back to the way they were, all right? And then what we'll do is we'll go back to config. We'll go to UI color and we'll go to our color that we were at before. In the future releases for the beta, I know they're going to implement it where you don't have to go into UI theme and UI color to change everything back to the way it was before. So, but for now, this is the way that it has to be done until that's changed. But other than that, that's pretty simple. So, but yeah, anyways, that is pretty pretty much it. Super simple way to get a theme on your device. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll leave a link to the Discord channel for Bruce. If you guys are not a member, I suggest that you guys join. It's awesome there. Super helpful community. And there's also going to be a link for the specific channel within Bruce where you can find those themes as well. Okay. So again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And like always, I will see you in the next one.